If you're seeing a network error in ElevenLabs, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This issue can happen for a few different reasons, including a temporary server outage, a blocked connection from VPNs or proxies, or even corrupted browser cookies and cache. The good news is that most of the time you can get back in without changing anything complicated. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. First, let's check whether the problem is on ElevenLabs' side. Open your browser and go to the ElevenLabs status page at status.elevenlabs.io/history. This page shows whether there has been any recent outage or service issue. If the service is down, then the network error may not be on your device at all. In that case, the best thing to do is wait a little while and try again later. If the status page looks normal and there are no major incidents, then the issue is probably coming from your browser or your connection. Next, disable any VPNs or proxies you may be using. Shared IP addresses often trigger automated blocks, especially on free accounts, because the platform may see the connection as unusual or risky. If you have a VPN turned on, switch it off completely. If you're using a proxy, disable that too. Then reconnect using a direct, stable local internet connection. This one step alone fixes the error for a lot of users because it gives ElevenLabs a cleaner and more trusted connection path. After that, clear your browsing data for ElevenLabs. Start by logging out of your account, then open your browser settings and clear the cookies and cache specifically for ElevenLabs IO. If your browser gives you site-specific controls, use those so you do not have to clear everything from every website. Once the cookies and cache are removed, close the browser tab, reopen ElevenLabs and log back in. This helps remove any damaged session data or outdated browser files that may be causing the network error. If the page still does not load correctly after that, refresh the browser, try a different browser, and make sure your internet connection is stable. A simple restart of the browser, or even your device, can also help if the issue was temporary. So to recap, the main fixes are: check the ElevenLabs status page, turn off VPNs or proxies, and clear your cookies and cache before logging back in. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the network error and get you working again quickly. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step app fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.